Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your headphones Philips. Firstly, we need to turn off these headphones. So, at the bottom of the right ear cup we have USB-C port, and near to it we have power button. Press and hold it until you will see white LED light. Here we go, we just turn off them. Now your headphones are disconnected from the phone. We can check it if you go to the Bluetooth. As you can see, no connection. If you have Android, your headphones moved from My Devices or Media Devices to Save Devices, meaning the same, but it also depends, because let's say on Realme, under your headphones you have text in use when these headphones connected with your phone and no information when it disconnected, so maybe you have a similar path. Now we need to turn off them, so press and hold power button again. Here we go, and your headphones reconnect with your phone automatically. But sometimes it happens with all Bluetooth devices that you don't want to reconnect automatically, so you can also try to tap at your headphones in the Bluetooth. With this method you can fix a lot of small and sometimes big troubles with your headphones. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!